Jackie Marie, and let's go. I have to show you guys my new hat I got at Sam's Club. It was about 10 bucks. I really like it, and it has a metal adjustment back here, or plastic, but it adjusts, and this fits me so well. Anyway, I went to Sam's Club last night, got some steaks, and we had company over. We're allowed to have gatherings with 10 people and under, so there were 6 of us. So we sat outside, and we had John grilled some ribeyes on the grill, and we had some broccoli salad, and I got no pictures, and we just sat and we opened up a bottle of wine we've been saving. It was a French. Let me get the bottle. It's this Chateau Malice something. Anyway, we opened this up. It's a 2014. I didn't like it. Had a shot of whiskey. I had a little bit of the wine to just do the toast, and I gave my wine to my friend because and everybody said, oh, it was so good, but I had been eating some cherries and blueberries, and I just think my palate was all wonky. I didn't like it. I do usually like, sweeter wines, not dry wines, and to me it tasted really, really dry. Anyway, I'm not complaining, but it's just funny how everybody else was saying, oh, this is so good, and we don't usually have a bottle that expensive. We don't buy that, only for very special occasions. But we did because it was the first time we'd all gotten together since all this happened, and we've traveled together, and we all went on a trip to Mexico like a few years back, and we enjoy each other's company, and we're very good friends. We just haven't got to do that. Our kids all grew up together, so we sort of formed this bond during those years. Anyway, but it was really nice to get together and just celebrate friendship and being together and being able to, just be with each other again. So I just think we take so much for granted in this world. We really do. And you can't take your relationships and your friendships for granted. You just can't do that. So, all right. John is actually, so it's Saturday now, but he went down to the basement to work out. So he's on the treadmill, and I'm getting ready to go down and join him. And I just thought I would just check in with you. Got my Redcon, and I'm not affiliated, but guys, I always share with you what I'm using. I'm hitting the gym hard this morning. Our gym has not opened up, the one that we belong to, but we still work out in the basement. I am having my Breach supplement from Redcon 1 in here, and then I have my Redcon isotope, is that the right word? Whey protein powder. I've mixed it up and put it in here. I told John I'm gonna have to order another one of these. So Tony, if you watch this, I have an order. We need to order more. We need to order more chocolate, protein, and I am doing the double tap now, which I love. But we're going to be out and about, and I would normally do double tap today just because, just to sort of flesh out my system a little bit and get the energy just to get back in the gym today. But since we're going to be out running around today, I'm not going to. And we're going to go look at cars. We're looking at trucks, and we're looking at campers. So we're just going to go out and look around, see what we can find. And yeah, I'm just going to report into you guys. I don't know how much I'll take. This is probably going to be more of a chit-chat vlog, but I'll, maybe share a little footage with you. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to go get my workout done. I'm doing lifting, full, it's full lifting day and abs. I'm not going to do cardio today because I'm going to go out walking probably all afternoon on these lots. So, and it's a nice day because it's cloudy and cool. It was almost 100 degrees here yesterday, and today it's really cloudy and it's cool and it feels so good. So we figured today's probably a good day to go walking on these hot car lots. So I have no makeup, wearing my hat. So next time you see me, I'll be dressed and my hair will be somewhat combed. All right, sitting at the table. Working some numbers. So John and I just got home. We both had a really good workout. And then we have been looking at cars, actually trucks, and John's getting ready to pull up in his new truck. John and I came over to, we just came over to Great Clips and to see if he can just get in to get a haircut. Because we were out yesterday running around. This is the next day now. It's Sunday and afternoon. And so he went and to see if he can get a haircut. And yesterday we were going to try, and it was like a 2-hour wait, and you couldn't check in online. Today we could check in online, and it was an 18-minute wait, so we did that. And he's over there waiting, standing outside. There he is in the green shirt with his arms folded, and there's a guy with a dark blue shirt in front of him, and then the guy with the red shirt. And so they're all social distancing, waiting for their haircuts. And then we're going to go over to Lowe's next door. I think Lowe's. We can go to Home Depot, but it's a little further. And I'm going to look to see if they have some more flowers for my flower box. And I guess I should take my sunglasses off, but I put a little makeup on today. I'm going to go over to Lowe's and see if I can get some more geraniums for my window box. And then we're going to look at some flooring. And I'm just looking at Lowe's today. I kind of have an idea of the color that I want. And we're not going to buy it today, but we're going to price it out and just then measure and just see how much we're going to need to buy. So that's what we're doing. And then, I got a really good workout in, good lifting session yesterday, and I'm so sore today, but I'm going to get a little extra cardio in today. I'm not going to lift today. And I did have some double tap today because this is the next day. You know, yesterday I was just vlogging about how I wasn't going to do double tap. Well, I did double tap, and then John said, "Hey, let's go over and let's get the haircut, and while we're here, we'll run look at flooring." So I don't know. I might be looking for a bathroom. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, so yesterday we went and looked at cars, at trucks. And I'm actually sitting in John's new truck. We took his new truck over. We have a Tahoe that we've had since the kids were little. When the kids were little, that's what I drove them in. And I was the mom who piled the kids in to go to ball practice and band practice and all of that. And, we could fit everyone in the Tahoe. And that Tahoe, we love it. We've had it for a long time. And I actually cried driving home. I drove the Tahoe home for the last time yesterday. We bought the truck, but we're trading in the Tahoe, and I have to drive it over to them tomorrow. They gave us a day to just take everything out and bring it back to them because it's in our hometown here, John's hometown. So we're just going to take it back over tomorrow. But we had a couple days left to take everything out, and literally driving home, I cried. That's how attached I get to things. I'm a sentimental slob because I have things that I don't need. That's why I call myself a sentimental slob. Things that, I just get attached to. So here's Roscoe. Say hi. He's sitting here in the truck too. We always take him when we go to Lowe's and Home Depot because you're allowed to. Yes, and he needs a haircut. And I didn't bring him water, so I'm going to have to go over probably and grab him some water in the drive-thru somewhere or in Starbucks. They have a Starbucks here. So I'll probably go in and... Oh my goodness. They closed their Starbucks. That was the Starbucks. So many things have changed. I don't know if you guys noticed that. The Starbucks is now a tropical smoothie cafe, which I'm excited because we didn't have a smoothie cafe in our town. So that's exciting, but I'm a Starbucks gal when I'm out running around and they don't have Starbucks anymore. Huh. Well, that's so weird to see things changing. But I did hear that some theaters aren't going to be coming back. I think ours, I haven't heard that ours isn't. We have a Cinemark. I haven't heard that it's not coming back after all of this. But I did hear AMC, I think. AMCs, some of them are closing. Some of the Planet Fitnesses are opening, but ours is not opening yet. Our YMCA is opened, but we're no longer members. We used to be. And Planet Fitness is is not open, but as soon as it opens, I'm going to start going back there. And yeah, and then I'm going to reach out to my trainer probably in another month when I start going to Planet Fitness for just some new refresher workouts. I do that every few months. Now that I'm maintaining, I only reach out to her every few months for a new workout. It's, you know, plus I have access to her online setup. So yeah, so I'm just going to do that. And all right, I'm just rambling now. So I'll show you guys a clip. Well, I showed you John pulling up into the driveway. I'm now sitting in his new truck. I'll turn the camera around and show you. But yep, this is his new truck. So the Starbucks got moved out of the little strip mall, but they moved out here. I didn't even see it. So they actually moved right next door in a bigger location.
Cliffside Oak.
Cliffside Oak. I like that color. I like this one too. Same price, but it's a little different. This one is Cold Mountain Dark. That's Lodge Oak, and it's in the Allen and Roth. Masks in here, right? We've only seen 2 people wearing a mask. Hardly anyone is wearing a mask in here at all. There's our buggy, and we came over here to sit in the shade while John gets the truck, because we don't want to walk Roscoe all the way across the parking lot. Stay in the shade, buddy. There we are. There's a few people wearing their masks out here, but there was hardly anyone inside. And we brought ours, but we thought, no, we're not going to be the only ones in the store wearing it. And maybe we should have, but there's a lot of people in there, and hardly anyone was wearing masks. He's here in the shade where it's nice and cool, and I just gave him some water and poured water on top of him too. Nope, don't get on the asphalt. Oh, that's going to be hot where you're going. Over here, buddy, stay in the shade. Oh, there's John. Well, we got back, and we have some things to think about. Now we're kind of thinking, well, what if we just had them install it, and then we don't have to go through the trouble. So lots on our mind. So, all right, guys. Well, I think I'm going to just call this a vlog today. And hope you guys are having a great weekend. And stay safe out there. And I will see you next time. Bye.